Are you looking for a delicious and effective way to shed those extra pounds? Introducing the ultimate detox smoothie for weight loss, which is packed with nutrient-rich ingredients to boost your metabolism and cleanse your body. First, let's start with a handful of fresh spinach, a powerful leafy green that aids in weight loss. Next, add a ripe banana for natural sweetness and creaminess. To give it an extra kick, add a slice of ginger, known to increase calorie burn. For a burst of antioxidants, add a handful of berries like blueberries or raspberries. For a dose of healthy fats, add a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. To make it creamy, add a splash of coconut water. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy, and your detox smoothie is ready to enjoy. Fuel your body with this nutrient-dense smoothie that will keep you satisfied and full of energy. The combination of these ingredients will help detoxify your body and boost your metabolism. Drink this smoothie in the morning as a meal replacement or as a post-workout snack. Pair your detox smoothie with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal weight loss results. Enjoy this delicious and nutritious detox smoothie and kickstart your weight loss journey today.